Okay, another problem. Oh, record na ako. You have another problem. The outer diameter of a glass jar and the inner diameter of its iron lid are both 725 millimeter. So, kumbaga, ay, wala magpara. So, both 275 millimeter. 275, ay sorry, 725 baliktad. 725 millimeter. Okay. And then, at room temperature, what will be the size of the difference in these diameters if the lid is briefly held under hot water until its temperature rises to 50 degrees Celsius without changing the temperature of the glass? So, ang pumaso laan imo still. Actually, oo. Pasuon mo nga ni. Nga duha gadera na rise. Pero kung mas malaksi ang imo conduction na imo steel, amo pwede ito hiya mabagan sugad-sugad niya case. Actually. So I think this is, but anyway, we have to solve from 20 to 50. So nimo still nag-rise la from 50, from 20 nagkatuya to 50 degrees Celsius. Therefore, pwede ta computon la ang delta L or the change in diameter. Kaya nimo man ito diameter nimo, di ba? Delta L man ito ya. Malibang kung radius siya, di ba? Anyway, delta L would be your alpha for your steel, di man 1.2. Glass jar, ini diameter iron. Iron lead is steel. Iron lead is steel. Ano mo ito iba? Diba? 1.2 times 10. 1.2 times 10 to the negative 5. So, 1.2 times 10 to the negative 5 per Kelvin or Kelvin to the negative 1 multiplied by 725 millimeter and then multiplied by 50 minus 20 degree Celsius. So that would be a 1.2 exponent negative 5 times 725 times 50 minus 20. So that would give us 0.261. 0.261. That is millimeter. So actually, that's the answer. Pero kung ipakiana mo in pag-unihang kuan, that would be 725 plus 0.261. Diba? So, ma-change sila ito yan dito 725.3. Anyway, not significant. But actually, significant na ito yung nakalus lang yan na gamay in that about millimeter. Actually, this is the reason kaya gimpapasok ta iton magtiga-abrehon. So, you can try that. So, that's scientific. So, makuri nga ni abrehon nga cup. Kung iti mo cup is made of steel, usually made of steel manitira or iron something. Alam ito yung tataoy. Mga kaong, di ba? Dana yung makuri ito ya. Kung anon abrehon. So, you can try pasoon. Of course, your glass also expands. So, diri ko ninian siya. Kahit imo expand, glass kasi, na-expand it ya. Pero diri that much. Because first is, maybe the glass expansion, I think that is for quartz. Di man, ogurgutiya. 0.04. Quartz, awa di man glass. 0.4. Ay, sorry. Adit glass, udor dako. 0.4 to 0.9 nga expansion na nimo glass. So, bangit makurkuryan nga pakiana, ma-expand ka pitim glass. Okay? Pero, again, you have to consider nga kung pinaspasay la, iti mo still masitaas iti mo conduction. Meaning, kung man ini, steady state pa niya. For your glass, that would be 0.4. Pero kung paspasan ito nimo pagpaso, nga diri pa mapaso nimo glass, di ba, may problem iti niya didagamay. So, I think, may dito niya complications didagamay or tricky tiya or rolaba complexity ya solution if you will really consider the glass or probably animo steady state temperature. So again, ini nga aton mga constant naka-steady state itiya, meaning at particular time, amo init ira expansion. Okay? So, that is the answer for number 15. Thank you guys for listening.